discipline, and your YouTube channel will show how to trade in binary options. You'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
And we start our trading session with $100. Let's see what happens. Let's get started. The first thing we did is starting to set up our workspace. We set the deal amounts to $100. So 1 minute of the deal, 1 minute time frame on our chart. Today we'll trade on the concept bars that you see at the top of the screen. Today we'll use our technical analysis for general analysis, and we will use also two indicators, fractal and Bollinger Bands. Let me tell you a little about these indicators. So Bollinger Bands, you'll see the settings. The main thing is that yeah. 1 second. You can copy it and use in your trading. This indicator is at the bottom of the screen. It's a technical tool designed to establish the beginning and end of our trend, and also the definition of the lines. So you see this sharp falling, and then we see some growth. With pullbacks, it began to fall, since growth occurs as smoothly as possible with rollbacks. So our indicator works like this. So the second is fractal. You can use these settings also. So this is fractal. Red is down. It's a very simple indicator, so to say. If fractal forms from below, the chart is more likely to go down, and vice versa. So very simple to understand this indicator and use it also. And we move on to the first concept bar. We have 7 concept bars for today, and we are on the first. We'll open down and start our technical analysis. What we see here: 2 candles ago, we had a green fractal formed. Our trend is downward. Resistance and support areas we see. Resistance achieved were reversals. They were even overcome and then a reversal again. As a result, the trend actually changed in the direction from upward to downward. For Bollinger, our intensity is falling. We had growth here, quite a relatively sharp increase. Now the trend is falling. We have 7 seconds until the end. Yep, last deal. $76 on our balance. And we move on. So our technical analysis, what we see, we can see sharp drawdown, but a relatively sharp drawdown. Based on the Bollinger indicator, we see how we experienced growth as a result of this drawdown. the growth was quite slow, as the subsidence in this area was very slow. Now we're undergoing a small reversal. We'll open a deal for this reversal. Most likely, reversal will be possible, or perhaps long-term recovery. Indicator, we see what we see here. Level off. It was repeating its recovery related to this. Last deal. Our profit is $83. Good. Let's immediately move on to the third concept up. And here we are. Let's open up, and we start our technical analysis. We have a lot of luck because at the moment the trade was opens the candle. We see the minimum level is nothing relatively. If we can identify an area of support and area of resistance, small one like that. I think the deal will be plus. 4 candles. Here you go. We see was formed fractal. Our intensity is low. Let's see. 4 seconds left until the end. Plus deal, our profit is $85. It's very good, as I said, even if the chart started to settle way up at a relatively low point. Also, want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find the link is in description, and there you can find many useful information about trading. You can use it and use it in your trading. And now we move on to the next concept. So here we are. We open up. And we start our technical analysis. So we see support area and resistance area. At this point, we I think it will be a reversal in the opposite direction by fractal. It was formed relatively long ago. It's not worth looking at it in this case after this drawdown happens. So what's what to say about this? Now it's falling. Some of our overage levels are being restored, and thus this indicator is beginning to level out. 7 seconds left until the end of our deal. So what we see more? Plus deal. Our profit is $89. And let's move on to the next concept up. Here we are on the next concept. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. So what we see green fractal. Avanza because we have rather larger shadows formed on candles in the lower position than in the upper one. This suggests that the growth is most likely to continue and this fractal will be fake. So this is very important. This also needs to be remembered that indicators will not always show you accurate information. Often your technical analysis will show the most accurate information, by the way. And the indicator will only be used as confirmation of your technical analysis. So what we see, our intensity is low. It's demonstrating our consolidation at the moment. Let's look at the chart. We see that growth is happening. As I said, the deal was plus $82. our profit. Yeah, as I said, we opened correctly, and we have 2 more concept paths. Let's increase the deal amount to $500. Let's move on. Here we are. Let's open up and we set our technical analysis. By technical analysis, we see drawdown. We see 2 green candles. This tells us that the trend has changed. We see that when the trend changed, we began to experience some kind of consolidation. These candles began to decrease in size. By fractal, we can see last fractal, even the last 4 fractals were formed in red, always minimal, and did not allow the formation of a fractal in the upper position. So I think it now is the first pullback. Intensity has increased slightly due to the pullback. Plus DL. Profit is $435. Very good. Our balance is already as much as almost 1,000. Set 100. And we are on our last concept path. Let's up and down and start our technical analysis. What we see: growth, 2 pullbacks at the last time, consolidation, by fractal. It was a go, and we not use it now. By Bollinger, we see intensity is growing. We see this growth, but the tendance is, yeah, we see this. So 7 seconds left until the end. And we see growth. The deal was closed in plus. And let's finish our trading session on this. Let's summarize. It was our balance was $100 at the beginning, and now it's more than $1,000. It's very good. Next, today we traded on a minute deal and 1 minute time frame. We used technical analysis for general analysis and 2 indicators. So, fractal, and the second Bollinger Bands. So we used concept paths, and I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.